My name is C.A. Russell, and our family's been dairying for 3 generations, and we decided in 2021 to relocate to beautiful western North Carolina and build a dairy where we could showcase agritourism and how we take care of our dairy. I think cow comfort is one of the most important things that we do as dairymen. Keeping our cows comfortable, keeping them clean, keeping them free of mastitis, is super important. And the McLanahan Sand Separator System gives us the best bedding. We get to recycle, we get to reuse. We can bed right away with the sand that's coming off the McLanahan Sand Separator. My favorite part about the McLanahan Sand Separator System is that it takes the sand out of our effluent and doesn't wear on the pumps. And it also gives us a real stable bedding material for our cows. The installation went really smooth, and I think a lot of that had to do with the fact that our engineer in McLanahan did such a good job on the plans. Our engineer recommended McLanahan, and we certainly are glad that she did.